Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will continue our work on a JoJo game right here, and we will especially make this StandController script right here automated, okay? And by automated, I've already said that in the last video. By automated, we mean, or I mean that when we have this local script right here, that it actually is able to just take the stand value and then be able to make the stand appear or vanish depending on what your stand value is. So you guys might think that, okay, so that should be already the case, but it is not. I have already said in this, or at the beginning of our creation of our Star Platinum creation, that this StandController script and this StandController server script, that those are very specialized, let's say, because they really can only handle one stand at a time. So they had like spots where they had Star Platinum instead of stand value, and this is basically one indicator of or which tells us that the script itself is not able to run automated. So it only focuses on Star Platinum and therefore is only able to handle requests for Star Platinum. But if I would have had another stand, for example the world or some other stand, that we would run into problems because that stand would not be able to react onto our inputs, because the script right here only works for Star Platinum. And that's basically the point of this whole video now. So I've already done some work in the last episode regarding this. So we have replaced pretty much everything which set Star Platinum with player data stand value. So let's test this out to see which spots are still missing. So as you can see, I currently have the test stand, even though I cannot remember obtaining it. So as you can see, when I press Q again to make my stand vanish, the skill frame right here vanishes, but the stand itself does not. And that's one problem we should take care of. And as you can see, in equip, it still says Star Platinum. So I've probably skipped that part. I forgot that part. So just replace this with Star Platinum. Replace this with Star Platinum. Also, instead of looking for Star Platinum to destroy, we are looking for the specific stand value to destroy. Basically, what this stand value does is it represents the name of the stand you currently have, and therefore instead of having Star Platinum, we just have the name of the stand we currently have. So that's the whole point right here. Okay. Let's Control and F to check if we have some more spots where it says Star Platinum. So the time stop at this point is totally fine, because that's a Star Platinum specific move. Star Finger is fine as well. Use Arrow is fine as well. And Combat is not fine. So we have to replace the Combat as well. Let's continue. Okay, now it starts over at the time stop again. So this should be it. Let's see if it works. So we have pretty much replaced everything. Yeah. We have replaced everything which sets Star Platinum with our test stand right here. Yeah, so this is pretty loud. Yeah, that was pretty loud. Okay. So that's pretty much it. Now, one more thing I would like to deal with is a glitch, which has been reported by one of our viewers right here. And the glitch is basically that when we have our stand equipped and we decide to reset, that everything right here disappears and never comes back. And, well, the stand does come back, the skills frame does not, and that's true. Let's see what we can do. So player GUI, moves GUI. Okay, so this one was basically not visible for whatever reason. GUI visible false. Wait. Okay, let's have it that way. Let's see if it works now. So let's reset. Still does not work. Okay. Let's try to find out what the problem is. So enabling. All right. Now let's reset. Okay, still enabling, but the frame is not visible to us for whatever reason. So that's the issue now. So GUI visible. Let's see if this changes something. Okay, true. Let's reset. Okay, it still says that it is true, but it obviously is not, or we are not able to see it at least. So this is like always false. And this seems to be true. Okay. So what we could do is that there is some kind of attribute right here. Screen orientation. It has to be somewhere around here. Wait. So there was this certain property. I'll try to find it, but I'm not sure if I'm able to. So this was like the former property, but Roblox seemed to have changed that. So this one has become deprecated. So Roblox has just changed that, and now I have to refer to something called layer collector, but like where is that thing? So how am I able to refer to that? No, so let me just try and find it out. Okay, I found out what the issue is. I'm sorry for that. So the property has literally moved to the screen GUI. So just untick this reset on spawn function or option, and then this should work. So let's reset. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends, leave me feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care and see you in the next video.